Welcome to the eFile.com Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. eFile.com is a budget-friendly tax preparation software designed for individuals seeking a simple and efficient way to file their taxes online. Its user-friendly platform is tailored for taxpayers with straightforward returns, but it also accommodates more complex situations, including self-employment, investments, and itemized deductions. With its competitive pricing and robust features, eFile.com offers an appealing alternative to more expensive tax software solutions. One of the key strengths of eFile.com is its guided filing process, which simplifies tax preparation by asking clear, step-by-step questions to ensure you input all necessary information correctly. The software automatically applies deductions and credits where applicable, helping you maximize your refund or minimize your tax liability. Another highlight is its accuracy and refund guarantee, offering peace of mind that your return is calculated correctly and promising to reimburse penalties or interest due to errors in the software. For basic filers, eFile.com stands out by offering a completely free option for federal returns, including those claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit. For those with more complex returns, such as business owners or freelancers, the platform's affordable premium tiers provide comprehensive support for IRS forms and schedules. Additionally, eFile.com includes features like prior year data import, helping to streamline the process for repeat users and eliminate redundancies. What sets eFile.com apart is its fast and secure e-filing process, enabling users to submit returns electronically and receive refunds quickly through direct deposit. The platform also supports filing state returns alongside federal ones, although state filing does incur an additional cost. While eFile.com lacks live customer support or advanced features like audit assistance offered by some competitors, its affordability and ease of use make it a strong contender for individuals seeking straightforward tax solutions. In summary, eFile.com is a practical choice for cost-conscious taxpayers looking for a reliable and easy-to-navigate platform. With its guided process, free federal filing option, and accuracy guarantees, it's a solid option for those who want to file with confidence without overspending. Check the links in the description to explore eFile.com and see if it's right for you.